Hey everybody, I'm Kevin Mickle and I'm with Capital Marketing Group in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we are at the CMG conference in Las Vegas, and I'm standing here with Tom with American General. And Tom, could you tell us what American General new products or things like that for our agents back in North Carolina?
Sure. We have a lot of really innovative things that have come out, and also some great price things that have come out as well. So for example, on June 8th, we lowered our term rates quite a bit. So we are currently top 3 92% of the time for 15-year longer durations. Generally between 200,000 1.5 million on average is what we looked at, and 65% of the time we should be number one. So that's a big kind of a commodity type sale, but it's a big improvement.
That's a big deal.
Another big deal we did is we had several underwriting changes. So with underwriting, one big pain point with a lot of our producers was required tax form on our term insurance especially. Well, now we raised those limits to 5 million. So now no tax form anymore once you get to 5 million. That's good. We also, for large cases, got rid of our inspection reports until you get above 10 million. So 10 million and below, no inspection reports. So that's a very big positive. Probably the most exciting thing, though, that we did is we expanded our expanded standard program. So for our Guaranteed Universal Life product, Secure Lifetime, GUL, and our Value Plus IUL, we have an expanded standard class that was B to standard, up to 10 million, up to age 70. So there was no Table B. Well, we now have expanded that to Table C. So it's very good if you come to us for that, because you're going to get standard like a table shave. But what's also good, if you've written term insurance in the last 5 years and you've gotten Table B or C, or you come to us today for term insurance, you get Table B or C, know that you can offer your client standard rates on our GUL or on our Value Plus IUL. And another thing that's come out, it came out in February, but we're talking about it because we kind of rebranded the top 5 items for it, is our Value Plus IUL.
Right.
It's a low-cost, death benefit-driven IUL. It gives you a secondary guarantee up to age 85. You can put our chronic illness rider on it, which is very competitive, that we talked about in our sessions. And does have a feature where you have unlocked surrender charges. So if a client does a large 1035 exchange, as early as the 3rd year, you may have enough surrender value to equal that full 1035 without any spread comp or without any surrender charges. So that's very powerful for short pays. So that's something to look at. Again, a secondary guarantee to age 85. And it also works well at low rates of return. So a lot of people with indices, they've gotten in trouble in some of the industry. There's been some changes of lowering the interest rates and the maximum illustration rates that you can illustrate. Well, we work well not only at the 6% rate, but we work well at 4 and 5%. So that's pretty powerful. So that's some of the things that we're talking about. But a great resource for everybody that I think everybody should use is we have a website. It's www.aig.com/optionality. And optionality is OPTIONALITY. You go to that website, and it takes you to all of our products. It takes you to our chronic illness topics that we talked about at our meeting today. It's got full webinar presentations, videos, and it also, in gray on the bottom left, it takes you to all of our other websites, our advanced marketing website, our retirestronger.com website that talks about chronic illness and our longevity rider. I'd also look at our longevity rider, too, for our GUL product. I think that's very important.
Okay, great. Well, thank you, Tom, for being a sponsor here, and see you guys back in Raleigh. If you would like to write business with AIG American General, then call Capital Marketing Group at 919-488-3686.